All right, we move on to speaking part 2. Describe a popular or well-known person in your country.
Well, in our country, lots of famous person, and I would like to speak about Umar Draz Gondal, who is a class fellow of mine, and he by qualification he is a lawyer, and he working in a media, and he started as a anchor person, and after that he is reporting from a site, and now he is working in a Dunia News and Aaj News as a on a talk show, and I he is my friend, and I am wishing very well for him, and I think he will progress in their life very well.
Okay, 50 seconds only. So you need to speak more. Try to
Okay.
come up with more ideas, expand your ideas,
Okay.
and use variety of words, okay? And try to speak with some expressions.
Okay.
Now, let's move on. Speaking part 3. What are the qualities of popular people?
Because they are, I think, hardworking, and most persistent to his goal,
To their goals.
to their goals, and they are working very hard. And I think people will love it because of his work.
Okay. All right. Thank you for part 3. Your answers are short. Just try to add some more to it. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.